Hello and welcome. This guide is all about creating and removing Kahoot groups. To create a group, select Groups from the navigation panel on the left side of your screen. Then, click Create Group. At this point, you'll need to name your group. Please remember that the name can only be up to 20 characters long. Once you've chosen a name, click Create. When your group is ready, you can find it under the Owned Groups section. Just click on it, and you will be able to finalize the setup process, share content, create posts, and adjust group settings. In case you ever need to delete your group, simply locate the group and click on the 3 vertical dots located in the corner. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Delete Group. You will be prompted to confirm the deletion. Once you've done so, the group will be deleted successfully. As demonstrated, creating and deleting Kahoot groups is a very simple and quick process. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to leave a comment, give a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. And of course, enjoy Kahooting!